Hey Senior Snoops fans, we're here at the Premium Outlet Malls in Lincoln City, Oregon. We're going to go exploring. Come join us. Welcome to Lincoln City, where ocean, history, and hearts welcome each visitor to feel at home by the sea. Stretching over 7 miles of pristine beaches, the waves here set the rhythm of life. Lincoln City was born in 1965 when D Lake, Taft, Nell Scott, Cutler City, and Ocean Lake joined together. That merger gave the town its name, honoring Abraham Lincoln and its spirit of community resilience. In the downtown area, bustling shops, cafes, and antique stores invite visitors to search for those treasures and enjoy a comfortable shopping experience. One of the busiest stops is the Dee River State Recreation Site, home of the coast's most accessible beaches. Just inland, Devil's Lake offers calm waters for boating and bird watching. Flowing from it is the Dee River, famously recognized as the shortest river in the world. Each summer, the annual Kite Festival fills the horizon with color and joy. In Taft, once a bustling fishing village, cozy shops and seafood cafes line the bay. Echoes of old canneries remain, while local glassblowers shape molten fire into shimmering floats. The beloved glass float hunt connects visitors to coastal tradition, and Taft's restaurants make it a favorite spot for a meal. On the north side of town, Rhodes End State Park provides quiet beaches, tide pools, and sunsets away from the bustle. It's perfect for a stroll, a float hunt, or watching surfers braving the winter waves. Modern life blends in too. Chinook Wind's Casino offers gaming, dining, and entertainment, while the Lincoln City outlets draw shoppers from across the region, adding energy alongside the quiet beaches. Today, Lincoln City is a blend of past and present. The Cultural Center celebrates local artists, Highway 101 offers sweeping views of the Pacific, and nearby forests and lakes invite peace and reflection. Lincoln City isn't just a destination, it's a living story of ocean, history, and heart, welcoming each visitor to feel at home by the sea. Well, we hope you enjoyed our video of Lincoln City. If you like our video, give us a like, send us a comment, or for sure, if you want to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.